Hi, it's Jage, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you one technique that you can use to solve a standard Sudoku. Yung standard Sudoku, ang goal nito is for us to solve the puzzle in such a way that every row, every column, and every region contains the numbers 1 to 9. Okay, kailangan 1 to 9 siya, walang dodoble. Ngayon, ang ituturo kong technique sa inyo, yung tinatawag kong 2 out of 3. Okay? Sa 2 out of 3, hahatiin natin yung puzzle into groups. Okay? So, ito yung group 1. Okay? Yung group 1, group 2, and group 3. So, lahat ng yan pahiga. And group 4, group 5, and group 6. Lahat naman patayo. Yung goal natin, kaya tinawag nating 2 out of 3, is sa isang group, hahanap tayo ng isang number na meron ng exactly 2 numbers in one group. Okay? At kailangan nating makompleto into 3. Bakit 3? Dahil we have 1, 2, and 3 regions. Kung gusto nyo tingnan, 1, 2, and 3 rows din siya. Okay? Meaning, kung 3 yung region, 3 beses mauulit yung number sa isang grupo. Okay? So, example natin, halimbawa 5. 5 and 5. So, meron ng dalawa. Meron na tayo sa region na to, meron na rin tayo sa region na to. Dito na lang yung region na natitira. Okay? And since nandito siya and nandito siya, meaning, dito na lang yung natitirang 5. And because of that, titingnan natin yung neighboring cells niya. So we have 5 here. So meaning, bawal yung 5 here. That's why our 5 is nandito. Okay? Oops. My bad. Okay? Nandito. Okay? Another example. 9 and 9, the other 9 would be here. So 9 here, meron dito, meaning bawal si 9 dito. So isa na lang yung malalagay natin na 9, and that's here. Another example. 8 and 8. So dito na lang yung isa, meaning automatically dito na si 8. Now, paano kung 4 and 4? So, yung another 4 would be here. So, may 3 possible cells na pwedeng paglagyan. So, titingin tayo sa baba kung merong 4. Okay? So, merong 4. Pero isa lang. Ibig sabihin, may 2 possible cells pa na pwedeng paglagyan. At kapag may 2 possible cells pa, hindi muna natin sila ilalagay. Okay? Pwede kayong gumamit ng candidates, maglagay kayo ng 4 na maliit dyan. Pwede rin na lang, i-ignore nyo na lang. Okay? If candidates would help, then write the candidates. That's it for today's video. Hopefully, nakatulong ako sa pagsagot ng Sudoku puzzle ninyo. Thank you so much.